So Ken and Steve, of Facility Builders and Erectors, we were introduced to them 20-something years ago. Ken and I were on the Western Region Advisory Council for Butler and struck up a great relationship. Of late, over the last 3 or 4 years, we've been focused primarily on corporate aviations and hangars such as this.
This is one of the most amazing projects I've ever had the privilege to work on. It's a recycling facility. The brief for this is pretty astounding, frankly. And I've talked to professional colleagues about this. Jaws drop, none of them can understand how this happened. While this facility was continuing in operation, we enclosed it with 3 separate buildings. Each was about 90,000 square feet. It was an incredibly coordinated effort, and working with FB&E was a dream from beginning to end.
This is my first project working with Facility Builders. The design came to us pre-engineered by Butler, and once we got those drawings through the owner and approved, the building pretty much just showed up as scheduled. And then after layout coordination and coordination with Facility Builders and their scheduling for erection, the building went up seamless. There was a big kudos to everyone knowing that once the building was going up, that there were no miscalculations, no rework, no additional costs. It was nice. I would definitely recommend Facility Builders.
We've since joint ventured with them as a general contractor. We've got a significant project that we're about to embark on here in the next 4, 5, 6 weeks. We've shared staff, financials, everything, and it's worked out really well.
The county is scheduled to come in next month, so having these buildings done on time to meet their schedule was extremely critical, and the fact that Facility Builders was able to rework their crews to come on site and get this building erected in a matter of weeks really drove home that they were here to get the job done.
Sander Architects is really proud, and I'm really proud to have worked with Facility Builders and Erectors on this project. These guys made the thing happen so easily and with the least amount of angst. Never could have imagined, and it was a really wonderful project. It makes me very proud. It makes me feel like I'm part of what it takes to make a city run, and I'm glad that we could also make a beautiful building out of it too.
Accomplished. Makes you feel accomplished.
It's rewarding. See what you've completed and drive by and see if it's made an impact on the community. Gives me a sense of pride.